Yeah, so myself Rushi Sharma and my husband Rumit Sharma. We are basically IT professionals. So it all started with looking out of home for our baby Kian. So we did not want to shift over and over again. So we started hunting for a spacious house where Kian can play and accommodate well. So we finalized this. Then the major challenge was finding out an interior designer. There on, one of my friend Menak Sinha told me that he bought a house and he got his interior done from Excel Constructions. We visited his place couple of times and we saw many things there. Like first is the quality, what they are using, the kind of workers who are working there, and the themes and overall execution part which he described was actually, as per him, it was excellent. We spoke to Jay for this, and initially we said we want a Kian friendly home. All the edges should be round, and the second requirement was it should not look bulky. It should be as light and soothing. When I enter my house, I should not feel heavy, because after a full day work long, we need a space to calm and a composed space there. Then my husband has many specifications for the false ceiling, basically.
False ceiling. Then there was a requirement of a dedicated place for the temple, and there was already a design in my mind that I need in the same manner, in the same way. So I asked Jay to be specific on the design part of the temple and the false ceiling part for the master bedroom.
When we started with false ceiling part, it was, he designed something, then we said it's spiral. It was one of the more difficult execution. Even we noticed when it was during the construction phase, it included a lot of engineering and how to make it done. So a couple of rounds on yes and no, and then finally when it was building, we were like, oh, how it would be. It was a great excitement. And personally, I feel Jay is very accommodating and very understanding in respect to what a mindset of a person is and what the requirement is. So he captured the things very well, and even we don't have to stress much on no, we want this. He's very accommodating and he understood the things perfectly. We want kids' room to be all different from rest of the theme, so it should stand out. Okay, this is Kian's room. So it's an awesome journey with Jay and with making my flat to a home where I would love to come to every day, and it really feels like a Kian friendly and happy home. So I wish Jay all the very good luck, and I am sure he will be keep on building such amazing homes and like making the people wish coming to reality. and I loved the way Jay executed everything. And not only this, he is the most trustworthy and commendable person who has done this kind of work, and I wish him luck and thanks a lot.